Alright, so today I'm going to show you how this board works and how we use it. You may have seen this board, or actually something that looks a little bit like it, because I've made some changes since then. You might have seen it on my dad's channel, DMark00. And so let's get started. So the first thing we do, or actually we can do this at any point, but pretty much, but we're going to plug this on, red to red, black to black. Now, we got this battery here. First I'm going to show you how we actually do the thrust testing. So, let's see here, plug this in, turn on the tachometer, make sure this, that's already on. Okay, well, let's get this on. Now that should be all ready. Now this button here controls the throttle on this port here. Readings are not all that important to us right now. We just want to show you how it all works. So that's that part. Now there are some other features going on here that I have in the design of that board. One of the features of this board is that I can center servos. I can do both the micro servos and bigger servos like this. And by micro, I mean ones that take around 1 cell of voltage. And that can be adjusted with this jumper right here. Here we're going to center this servo. Let's put it all to center right now, so we can see it move. And here we go. Don't have to hold it very long, so just put it on part way. So that's the centering. Another thing, I can check battery voltage. This one should be around pretty much full. So put red on red, black on black, which is hard to see way back in here. And then I press this button to activate it. We can see that this one is full because all the 8 of these little LEDs are lighting up here. Now if we go, for example, this one, which is on storage charge, it will show pretty much at nominal. See, now that 8th one isn't lighting up, which is the nominal value. So that's how that works. Anyway, the board is made with a PIC microcontroller, some old mouse buttons actually, is what those are. And some other stuff too. This is right here is a homemade comparator that I built that compares some reference made by the chip that also controls the LEDs and compares that with the battery voltage. And so this is just a stick that's in a T shape, although we didn't really need a T shape. It actually would have been better if we cut this board off, but we're going to leave it the way it is just for the heck of it. This is a screw-on mount here. We just screw it on with these machine screws and put a motor on here. We can just put different boards on for different ones. And there's the prop, of course, and the motor, ESC. But the main thing is we got this base is all screwed together on the bottom there. So you can actually lift that whole thing up. And these two keep it the right distance. So that's pretty much it. We got a barbecue skewer for an axle. Pretty cheap stuff. All this is scrap wood, just pulled from the basement. And we got some nails to keep the board from rattling too much. I'll unplug that while I'm at it. And this right here holds the tachometer, and this right here, the amp meter. And it's removable, so if we don't need it, we can just take it right off. Of course, this is just Velcroed on. So that's about it.